Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Paper Craft Secrets. Today I'm going to talk you through the beautiful new Mintay Papers Florabella Collection. Now this is one of the latest Mintay paper ranges that have come out this year, and there are a few components to the collection. This is the sticker sheet. Now it's got love story, love is here, happily ever after, wedding, key to my heart, there is magic all around us, always and forever. It does have a love feel to this collection, but it is not solely a love collection because look, it's got a horse, it's got floral clusters, beautiful ponies, some clocks, vintage love heart padlocks, an easel, cowgirl boots, and a hat. So it's got this sort of beautiful vintage feel, but it's also got like a horse theme or a country theme, so it would also be perfect for scrapping any horse photos that you might have. Let's take a look at the 12 by 12 paper collection. I do love the colours. It's got a lovely soft pink. That's the back of the front cover. Look at this gorgeous window with the horse. It is just a stunning page. On the back, it's very vintage. It's a light grey. This has got a gazebo with a horse, so there you've got your wedding sort of theme, and a vintage distressed page on the back. A beautiful Victorian style house, I think that would be, or like even like a doll's house, and vintage sort of wallpaper page. Then we've got this circular Reef page and this gorgeous old barn door with lots of distressed, some lovely floral clusters here, and this page here which I love. It's got beautiful vintage feel to it with lots of floral bits and pieces. This is your little cut apart sheet. You've got all your different little pictures on here, lots of fussy cutting, lots of card making, and then you've got your beautiful frames on the back. So this is the same set of papers again. We're going through it for the second time because you get 2 papers in each paper pack. It's beautiful pages. My goodness. I've actually made one project with this already, which I'm hoping to share with you soon. But I've got really big ideas for this with a big album. So I'm hoping to be creating an album with this. I wonder what you might want to make with the new Mintay Papers Florabella collection. Here is the 6x6 paper pad. You've got these little frames on the backs here of the back of the front cover and the back of the back cover. And then you've got the same images, but they're just smaller. I've already torn out that page. When I made my project, I did use the 6x6 paper pad. So that's why that page is gone. It's a lovely color palette. It's very soft. It's very feminine. Beautiful for anniversaries, weddings, Valentine's Day, but also has this whole other element with the horse theme and the country theme. So this is the beautiful Mintay Papers Florabella collection. I'd love to know what you think of the collection. Please let me know in the comment section below. I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.